heartbeat of our nation, a reminder of the long years of struggle, resilience, and unity that transformed the dream of a free and sovereign India into the reality. Freedom was not just a moment, it was a journey paved by the sacrifices of the brave souls who fought with their lives so that the future generations could breathe in the air of liberty. So today, on this glorious occasion of our nation's Independence Day, as we celebrate 79 illustrious years of freedom, I, Ahana Upadhyay, has gotten the golden chance to speak about the remarkable journey of our nation's defense system. So good morning, everybody. Do you all know that in just 79 years, India has journeyed from scarcity to supremacy, a fledgling nation finding its footing to a force shaping the future. Today, we don't merely stand in the world, we stand apart. Nowhere is this transformation more vividly seen than in our armed forces. From a modest defense framework, in 1947, India has ascended to the ranks of the world's top 4 military powers. With over 1.4 million active personnel, a formidable fleet with more than 150 warships, and an aerial arsenal with over 2,000 aircrafts, majority of which are crafted within our own borders. This might was forged step by step. In 1983, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam spearheaded the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program, gifting our nation Agni, Prithvi, Akash, Nag and Trishul. The indigenously built Arjun main battle tank and Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launcher proved that India could engineer weaponry tailored to its own terrain and strategic needs. Across the seas, the INS Arihant emerged as the first nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine. In the sky, and INS Vikrant was India's first indigenous aircraft carrier. In the skies, the Tejas light combat aircraft soars alongside the finest fighters in the world, and BrahMos missile strikes with blistering speed. And the Netra airborne early warning system keeps a vigilant eye over our horizons. And today, the momentum is more formidable than ever, with prestigious weapons like Smart Anti-Airfield Weapon and Pralay missile, naval prowess from the indigenous fast patrol vessel Atal and stealth frigate Himgiri. And not to forget the cutting-edge AI-enabled defenses like Akash-Deep, Rudrastra hybrid drones, Prachan helicopters. And soon, the Kusha missile system will safeguard our skies up to 400 kilometers away.